Welcome back, Queens and Kings, and thank you guys so much for watching as well as returning. In today's video, I will be doing 3 simple, affordable home decor ideas. If you all would like to see how I made each one, please continue to watch. Okay, Queens and Kings, so we're going to start off with the first DIY with these crystal diamond tea light candle holders and these taper candle holders that I purchased from Target, as well as these Amazon famous knobs that a lot of us use on our mirror furniture. As you guys can see, they are crystal and I love them, and they're so affordable, which I will link them down below. And you'll also need some hot glue or some type of strong adhesive. That's if you want this to be a permanent hold. Okay, so I'm basically using the Party City tea light candle holder as my base, and I'm just going to glue the knobs on top of each other. And I am using hot glue because I'm doing this just for a video purpose only. If you guys have seen the castle, you guys know I have plenty of candle holders. But this was a cute and easy DIY, and I wanted to share with you guys because you can make some for your own. But if you want this to be a permanent hold, please use some type of strong adhesive glue. Now I'm just going to glue 4 knobs, I believe, at this moment. Yes. And then I'm going to use the Target taper candle holder. Now in the end, I'm actually going to swap out for another crystal candle holder, diamond shaped one, because I did find it at the very end, so I was happy to find it. But this is a better option as well as too. So I do love the way that these came out. Now a lot of you Queens and Kings are new here, and a lot of you guys ask me, where do I get my inspiration from? Now these were inspired from all the stores that is closed, like Z Gallery, Home Goods, Ross, TJ Maxx, you know the sister cousin stores and neighbors or whatever. But that's where I got this inspiration here from, and I've been wanting to do this for a while now. But we're using the knobs on our DIYs as well as our drawers and everything, because these knobs is very known on YouTube. But I hope you Queens and Kings enjoy this quick little DIY here, and let's get ready to move on to the second one. Okay, so for the second one here, I have this large round wooden board that my husband got from Home Depot for me. He knew I was able to do something with it, so I decided to spray paint it silver. And then I got these little laundry room signs from Dollar Tree. And you guys, if you guys know me, I'm going to use the little fancy font one. The one with some more cursive, which is this one. And this is a peel and stick, so therefore I'm just going to peel it off, and I'm just going to center it as best as possible. Now this is a very large tray here, and obviously I'm going to be using this for my laundry room. And I am doing a laundry room makeover on my second channel. It's not up just yet, but head on over to Queen's Val Living. That is a shameless plug to check out my reveal. So anywho, now I have these upholstered diamonds that I had for a while now. I wasn't sure what I was going to do with them. They are a very small size. I done did a headboard, I done did tufted on my chairs and everything. I have so many left over. So all I'm going to do is just bam these going around the edge of the tray, just to glam it up a little bit. Who say you cannot have no type of glam in your laundry room? So I don't know who told you that lie, but it's a lie. It's a lie. But anywho, I'm basically using a paper towel just so I can protect the crystals and that they don't crack, because honestly they will crack if you don't have nothing to protect them. You can use a towel or whatever you desire to do this with. It is a little time consuming. I think it was like 45 minutes for me to do this, and that's because some of the pins or push pins or whatever you want to call them did not go straight in. They started to bend some, which you guys will see that pretty soon. So I'm just going to continue doing this, going all the way around the tray. All right, queens and kings, so you guys can see that I'm starting to have trouble, and don't you see that it done bent on me? Like, that's what I mean. So this what took more of the time up in case I had one like that I couldn't straighten out and bam it in. That's the only time consuming part of it, because long as I was able to bam it on in, I was able to keep going. But I did not measure any gaps in between. I am eyeballing this. You guys know I will eyeball something in a minute. If you don't know, now you know. So basically that's what I'm doing to achieve the gap in space in between. So there's no rhyme or reason of doing this. It's just a lot of bamming, a lot of noise. So hopefully no one is in the house sleep, because they're going to be up after this. Trust me. So now we're done with the tray so far, and now I'm going to just take a Dollar Tree mirror here, and I'm going to use some Dollar Tree of the laundry sign of the other laundry sign that I did not move, and it's just a peel and stick. Now the adhesive on this is very strong, but I'm just going to try to center this as best as possible. And off camera I am going to place some bling, rhinestone bling wrap, or rhinestone wrap, whatever you want to call it, around the edge of the mirror, as well as around the entire tray. So I hope you queens and kings so far enjoying these little cute and affordable home decor or room decor ideas, laundry room ideas. If you guys are, give me a thumbs up. But here is the finished look of our gorgeous laundry room tray. Now I love this because this tray is a massive size, I mean to say, and I can put more than just this picture sign on here, as well as this flower. I love it. I love the way how it looks in my laundry room. It's not too much bling, it's just enough, I think. But like I said, I do have a laundry room reveal coming, so you guys check out Queen's Val's Living channel and subscribe to it, so therefore you guys can see the full effect. Now here's the tray that how I style it outside of the laundry room. I do like it because of the simple fact I don't have to just use it for a laundry room. Even though it have laundry room on it, I can use it outside, and I can actually take the logo off of the mirror as well, or just put another mirror on here and use the tray for whatever. But I hope you queens and kings enjoyed this video. If you guys got some type of inspiration, some type of idea for your home or your laundry room, please give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, share the video as well, tell your family, friends, and loved ones, and subscribe if you just stopping by the castle. If you do, please hit the notification bell, so therefore you can be notified each and every time that I upload. And with that being said, you queens and kings continue to be royal. Bye bye.